Welcome to our channel. If you want to add your Bank of America debit or credit card to Apple Pay for contactless payments, follow these steps to set up your card in the Apple Wallet app. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is pre-installed on all iPhones running iOS 9 or later. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card to Apple Pay. Step 3. Select debit or credit card to begin the card setup process. Step 4. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the front of your Bank of America card. The Wallet app will automatically capture the card number and expiration date. If the scan does not work, you can manually enter the card information. Step 5. Enter the 3-digit CVV code found on the back of your card to verify ownership. Step 6. Review the terms and conditions provided by Bank of America for using Apple Pay, then tap Agree to continue. Step 7. Bank of America will verify your card and may send a verification code to your registered phone number or email address. Enter the code to complete the verification process. Step 8. Once verified, your Bank of America card will be added to Apple Pay and ready for use. To make a payment, hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay for online purchases in participating apps and websites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.